Hello and welcome to yet another unboxing video here on the A.G.N.T Media channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 360 camera that just arrived in the mail today. It's the Insta 360 1X2 and yeah, let's just get on with the unboxing. So let's start by taking off the plastic wrapping that was around the box when it came into the mailbox. And straight away you can see an image of the camera on the front side of the packaging. So let's take off this saran wrap in a way, or what it's called. There you go. And let's open the box. And right off the bat here, you can see the camera is revealed. It is more heavy than I anticipated. So you have the protective film on both lenses and on the LCD screen. And you have a sticker here saying, remove the battery, insert a micro SD card. Please use a micro SD card that meets UHS 1V30 standards. Let's put that sticker aside here. And opening up here, you can see that is the battery. So the battery and the battery door is connected. So I guess if you buy another battery, the door is mounted on. The battery is quite big. It takes up a lot of space. So I've heard numerous good things about the battery life. And another smart feature here is that when you push the battery in place, there are two latches, and if you only latch one of them, or it's not properly latched, you can see there is a orange sticker underneath. If that is showing, it's not waterproof, it's not sitting there correctly. And right beside that, okay, that was a bit more difficult than I thought it would be, but that's the USB-C port. And on the other side, we have the power on button. I'm guessing that's the speaker and a microphone. There is another microphone right there. And yeah, quite a hefty little thing. So let's see what else is in the box. So I think that's it. A box inside a box. And that is the USB-C charging cable and a small protective pouch for the camera. I am guessing it's neoprene or something like that. It feels like that. Like one of those laptop bags you can get. So yeah, don't lay it down on the table like that if there is no protective cover or anything on the lens. Otherwise it will get scratched. Right, and then we have the usual suspects. A quick start guide. Oh, it's waterproof. Yeah, what to know. So that's probably a good thing to read. There are something you have to take into consideration when using it in water. And another oh yeah, a warranty card. And a cloth, I guess that is for wiping the lens. Yeah, it's like a microfiber cloth. And you got some stickers, Insta 360 stickers. So that was actually it, a quick unboxing here. Let's just start up the camera. And right away, you have an image on a touchscreen. And there I am. Hello. Right, so yeah, I'm gonna have to charge this. And hopefully there are gonna be a lot of new videos made from this. Mainly using it on the skateboard or on my new motorcycle. So thank you very much for watching this unboxing video. I hope you liked the video, and until the next time, have a good day.